Welcome back to Spectrum News. I'm Tara Hershaft. CBD is perfectly legal in the U.S., but it could still get you in trouble at work. Spectrum News anchor Nick LaGrange has what you need to know when it comes to drug tests.
Well, the guys at Hempco and Apex say they get questions about drug tests more often than anything else. The simple answer is yes, you could fail a drug test if you use CBD, but it's complicated. We've all been there. You apply for a job, you get the job, but first you have to take a drug test.
Typically, if you're a regular user, THC will stay in your system up to 30 days.
It used to be pretty self-explanatory. If you've used weed, cocaine, speed, or heroin recently, you know you're not going to pass the drug test. That's not to say those drugs are equal in their capacity for destruction, but they're all still illegal in North Carolina. The thing is, CBD is legal, but any Lab Test Now owner, Glory Gallucci, says that 0.3% amount of THC in it is still detectable in a standard urine test.
If you test positive for THC, saying that you did CBD oil is not a legitimate excuse because THC is the actual metabolite.
For some products, yeah, there is a chance that THC can show up in a drug test from prolonged use and higher doses too.
Christian Ortiz of Hempco and Apex says it all depends on what CBD products you use. He says products labeled broad spectrum or isolate pose no threat of a positive drug test, but that products labeled full spectrum hemp extract do.
We would have broad spectrum, isolate, and full spectrum in gummies, and then the same thing in vapes. Same thing in oils.
Gallucci agrees results may vary depending on how much CBD you've consumed, but if you're really worried about it, she says you should just stay away from it.
Because there is no guarantee that you will be negative.
Ortiz adds the store has a list of exactly which products contain detectable THC. You can ask for that there. He says you can often find that information online as well. Nick LaGrange, Spectrum.